Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to block comments from someone on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile from the bottom right corner. Tap on three horizontal lines from the top right corner of your screen. From the pop-up menu, click on the settings. Tap on privacy. Under the interactions, you will see the comments option. Tap on it. Now you will see the block comments from option. Tap on it. Then tap on the search bar and type the name of the user you want to block. Once you find the user, tap on the block option and you will block the user from commenting on your post. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you're able to block comments from someone on Instagram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.